Hello everybody. Today we will learn about subject pronouns in English. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to know and use subject pronouns correctly in simple sentences. Singular pronouns are I, you, he, she, it. Plural pronouns are we, you, they. Hi, my name is John. I am a student.
Hi, John. I am Daisy.
And you are here. We use the pronoun you to address one person in a conversation. This is Tom. He is a doctor. We use the pronoun he to refer to a male person. In this sentence, we use the pronoun he to replace the word Tom and avoid repetition. This is Daisy. She is a teacher. We use the pronoun she to refer to a female person. In this sentence, we use the pronoun she to replace the word Daisy and avoid repetition. This is Rex. It is my dog. The pronoun it is used to refer to an object, animal, concept, or other non-human subjects. So here, the pronoun it is used to replace Rex, which is a dog. We are friends, so the pronoun we is a plural pronoun, and it is used to refer to a group of people that includes the speaker. You are a team. You work together. So we use the plural pronoun you to address more than one person in a conversation. These are Daisy and Tom. They are my friends. The pronoun they is used to refer to a group of people, animals, or things as the subject of a sentence. Now, it is quiz time. Are you ready for the quiz? Let's get started. Replace the words in yellow with the appropriate subject pronoun from the list. The correct answer is, she loves to go for walks. The correct answer is, he treats patients. The correct answer is, they are friendly. The accurate response is, we tidy it together. The correct answer is, it is about friendship. The correct answer is, how are you? The correct answer is, I am a teacher of English. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.